Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Amazon FBA inventory with inventory file templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start updating your Amazon FBA inventory with inventory file templates, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab located in the main menu. Select Add Products via Upload from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the section labeled Download an Inventory File. Choose the appropriate inventory file template based on your product type. Click on the template link to download the file to your computer. Once downloaded, open the file in a spreadsheet application, such as Excel or Google Sheets. Review the first tab, which typically includes instructions for filling out the template. Fill in the necessary information for your products, including SKU, title, quantity, and price. Ensure that you are following the format specified in the template to avoid errors. Use the sample rows provided in the template as a guideline for your entries. Once you have completed your entries, save the file in the same format as it was downloaded, typically as a CSV file. Return to your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate back to the Add Products via Upload section. Scroll down to the Upload Your Inventory Files section. Click on the Choose File button and select the completed CSV file from your computer. Select the correct processing report option based on your needs. Click on the Upload button to submit your inventory file. Monitor the progress on the Manage Inventory page to ensure your updates are processed successfully. If there are any errors, download the generated report to review and correct any issues. After correcting any errors, re-upload the inventory file following the same process. Once the upload is successful, your inventory will be updated in Amazon FBA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.